I'm going to break down in this video why some channels are facing low views, and I'm also going to tell you why low views happen. Like, views can be very, very frustrating. Yeah, it's very, I'm not even joking about it. It's very frustrating. But why do small creators like me experience these low views even when we are putting in our efforts? Don't worry. If you are new here, please like and smash on that subscribe button to subscribe. Number one is that YouTube algorithm takes time. Yeah, the YouTube algorithm needs to master your content, needs to master your audience, know the kind of content or the kind of niche you are into. They'll know, like, they'll be testing different of your videos to know the right audience for it, to know who they can push this video out to. So if you are experiencing low views on your channel, because this is basically for small creators like me, if you keep on experiencing low views, you don't need to be panic about it, and you don't need to stop posting on YouTube. You need to keep on uploading video and allow YouTube algorithm to master who your audience is, so that they will start pushing out that video to a wider audience that will be interested in your content. After that being said, another reason why you're having low views is your thumbnails and your title. Guy, no matter how good your content is, no matter how good that video is, if your thumbnail does not speak well about it, like if your thumbnail does not spark curiosity in the eye of any person that comes across it, if your title is not compelling enough to attract viewers to click on that video to watch, no one is going to click on it to watch. Yeah, you've heard me. So a thumbnail doesn't need to be complicated. It's not something that I need to pour out all the old words there. You don't need to put in all the old words on that video on your thumbnail. Just make it simple. If you can look at my previous video and the recent one, you notice a change on my thumbnail. I do thumbnail like anyhow, just put it out there. But the more we go, we keep learning every day. Just few words, just pick something that it will spark curiosity in the eye of anyone that comes across it, and use it as your thumbnail title. So another reason why you're having low views is watch time and viewers retention. Yeah, I've talked about thumbnail and title. This one is about your content itself. See, no matter your content, sorry, no matter how your thumbnail is catchy or compelling, the title, see, if your content is not still value packed, no one will stay to watch it. And by the time people click off immediately, sending the wrong signal to YouTube. So as you are focusing on creating good thumbnails, compelling title, also create valuable content. Let your content be value packed. After that being said, another reason why you're having low views on your channel is what you love versus what your audience want to watch. Yes. Who are your content for? Tell me. Who are you creating video for? Is it because you love to? Or are you considering what people want to watch? See, if you have been creating video based on yourself, you really need to stop. Yeah. Create videos based on what people want to see on your channel. See, let me just tell you one thing about creating content. It's not just about you. It's about the person that will come to your video and click on it to watch. It's about your audience. It's not who cares about you. You need to put them first in any niche or any video you want to bring out there. Even if it's something that your head tells you, oh, make a video on it, you need to reconsider. Is this thing going to resonate with my audience? Do they like it? Will they click to watch? You need to know who your content is for. Who are you creating content for? Ask yourself that question and give me the answer in the comment section. Please, if at this point you've not liked, you've not shared, what are you waiting for? Please like and subscribe. Another thing is experiment and adapt. I talk about niching down in one of my videos, but please, if you are still struggling on YouTube, keep on posting. Yeah, if you know that you have been on this niche for quite a long time and you've given it all it takes, you have done everything possible and it's not working, please switch to another niche. Just see what will work best for you. Don't come and kill yourself. Don't come and die on YouTube because of one particular stuff. It's actually good to niche down. But if you have been on one niche for a while, you test some different things and it doesn't work, you try out things. Please try out different things. Try out something else. Try out another niche and see the one that your audience will love to watch. If you actually want to have views on your channel, you need to be consistent. Because see, forget about YouTube. If YouTube just pick one of your video and you go viral, just forget it. Like, you don't need to get panic about it. But if YouTube pick your video and you start going viral, do you have enough content that I can come back and see on your channel and I will still click and want to watch more of your video? If I've watched that very particular video that YouTube has picked and you've gone viral and I've subscribed, will I come back and see more of your videos and I want to watch them? While you are waiting for views, while you are waiting for subscribers, please be uploading. I don't mean you posting every day. Consistency has its own ways. Yours might not be every day. But if you can choose to go on a challenge, fine. If you don't want, then but just be consistent on YouTube. Don't come and post today and tomorrow you're off. No, be consistent. Let YouTube know that you mean, like, you really, really mean business. Another reason why we are having low views is there is so much competition on YouTube. Oh God. See, as a small creator like me, I've been thinking about this thing today, and I'm trying to, I was asking myself a question: what is that thing I can do to make me stand out? See, there are a lot of competition. There are tons of competition or tons of content creators on this app. All what you need, all what you and I need as a small creator is to stand out, is to pick something different. Even if you've seen a viral video that is actually going well, that is doing well in a bigger channel based on your niche, and you want to create that kind of content, create it. Like, let there be uniqueness in this content. Oh my God, like, I don't even know. Okay, I would just want to use one lady as an example, Glory C. I don't know if you know her. You can do it, like, check out her channel. So Vibe with Sonia posted a video on turn on this feature immediately after upload. That video did very well. I actually made a video on that. But do you know what this lady does? And that's one of her video that actually went viral, like viral. Do you know what she does? She does be strategic on her own way, put up a surprise expression, like an expression that even you say, if you come across that video, you want to click to watch. Turn off this feature now and point and put YouTube Studio. That thing alone makes this lady to go viral. People do not know that it's the same content that maybe some of them might have consumed from Vibe with Sonia or other content creators. But she makes her own stand out in her own unique way as a small creator. And now she's actually doing well. She's monetized. We need to stand out to grow. I'm talking to you, and as I'm talking to you, I'm also learning. I'm also talking to myself. This is what I've thought about it today, and I'll say, okay, I will try something different. I'm trying it already. Let me see how it's going to be. Let's stand out and see what will become of it, so that we can be seen from the multiple people, or so that we can be seen from the crowd, from the multiple crowd. So now that you know why low views happen, giving up is never an option. Don't ever think of giving up. We will keep on pushing. Let's keep on forging ahead. Let's keep on putting the work. Let's keep on being consistent on YouTube. And trust me, one day this hard work is going to pay off. Create content that people will love to watch, not about you. No one cares about you. Put your audience first in your content. Let's apply these strategies and work and see how far our channel will grow. And we shall all come back for a testimony. Please, guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you find value in this video. You can also let me know in the comment section one of the things you learned from this video, and I'll be so glad to see that. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to share, so that it will also send a good signal to the YouTube algorithm that this video is actually doing well. That will help them to push out this video to more small creators like us. Most importantly, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll be giving you guys video every day, so you always need to check out my videos every day. So bye guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video.